Hi everyone, welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Maggie. I am a Cubby mom here at the store, and today we're going to be unboxing the Britax Willow Brook S Plus travel system. But before we dive in, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment any questions you may have. And remember, you can shop for this travel system and many more on babycubby.com. Now let's get into it. Here at the Baby Cubby, we love Britax. It's a great budget-friendly option, and in recent years, they've stepped up their game to make it more sleek and stylish. I'm so excited to see what's in this box, so let's get started. All right, it looks like we have an anti-rebound bar here, which detaches from the base, which is really nice. The anti-rebound bar provides additional safety, which is also really nice when you're installing your car seat. And then it looks like we have this parent tray, which is really nice for it to come with the stroller. I've actually never seen that before, which is really nice. Looks like we have the wheels here. All right, it looks like we are to the car seat, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. As I'm opening this up, I can see that there is an infant insert in here, which is really nice. It looks really soft and plush. You're gonna wanna make sure you remove that at about 11 pounds. And you can see the canopy looks pretty long and has great coverage, which is nice. And it looks like it does have a European belt route, which is actually the first time Britax has done that. That's usually seen on like more luxurious car seats, which is really nice. All right, it looks like it is attached to the base, which is super nice. As I'm picking it up, it does feel pretty lightweight, which is also a nice feature to have. Looking on the sides, it tells you how to install, which is always nice to have that handy, as well as it has a label talking about airplanes, which means it is aircraft approved, which is always super nice. We are now gonna pull out our stroller. Looking at the seat and the frame, it looks like really high quality fabric. Just looking at it, you can see it has a nice black frame, which is so cute, and it has really nice black fabric. It's coming with some inserts, which is nice, and it looks like some assembly is required, but it honestly looks pretty easy to assemble. All right, it looks like there's two more things in the box, so we're gonna pull those out. It looks like it's the front wheels, and it looks like it comes with a snack tray, which is super, super nice. It's nice to have when your little one gets a little bit older. It's nice to have snacks, toys, sippy cups, bottles, whatever. Now we're gonna take a few minutes and put everything together. As I'm taking things out of the box, I just think it's really cool that you can get your car seat and stroller all in one box, and it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to set up. Now that we've taken a little bit of the plastic off, you can see that this seat is modular, which is a great feature, so you can kind of customize what position you want your baby in. All right, we're gonna start by putting the stroller together. Looking at it, the frame is black, which is so cute, and the wheels look really easy to just pop into place. So we're gonna start with the front wheels. So we're just gonna pop them in. We're actually gonna unfold the frame first. And it looks like it locks, which is really nice and makes it easy to pick up and move into the trunk or wherever you may be. And we're gonna kind of tip it over to put those wheels on. And they're just gonna snap into place, which is so easy. And then once we have these front wheels on, we're gonna start with the back wheels. It looks pretty similar to put them on as the front wheels. They are just attached together. So easy to set up. And now we're gonna attach our seat, which, as I mentioned earlier, is modular. All right, so now that we have it on, we're gonna attach the snack tray, which it also just clicks right in. All right, now that we have the snack tray attached, we're gonna adjust the recline of the seat and the little footrest, and it's so easy to use. And there we have the stroller The canopy is very generous and also extends a little bit, which is really nice. We're gonna go ahead and pick up this parent console and attach it. It looks like there's a place for your phone, which is really nice, and 2 drinks. And it just snaps on as well, which is really nice and really easy. As a parent, it's really important to see what kind of storage strollers has. This one is a great option. Has a great under storage basket and both cup holders, as we mentioned, so you really have a lot of great storage options. Now that we have it all together, it's really easy to see how sleek it looks. The canopy is really easy to extend. It has a peekaboo window on it, which is nice for your little ones. And now that we know it's modular, to take the seat on and off is really easy, and it's super lightweight. So there it is flipped around, and it does have a really nice recline for when you want your little ones to be taking a nap or just laying down. On the seat, it also has a no rethread harness, which is really easy as your child grows to adjust for their height and whatever else. Let's go ahead and flip that seat back around so we can look at the fold of it. The fold of it looks really easy. You're just gonna pull on these tabs, and then it actually does stand while folded, which makes it really easy to put in the trunk of your car or wherever you're gonna store it. Now let's stand the stroller up and see what it looks like with the car seat on. Because it comes in a travel system, it should be pretty easy to attach that car seat. So we're just gonna take that seat off and bring this car seat over. And that was so easy, and it looks so sleek and so cute. With this configuration, you can see that it's super easy because there are no adapters, which means no extra pieces to get lost, and you'll be super close to your baby and keep them in sight, which is really convenient. Now we're gonna take off the car seat, attach the seat back on, and talk about the car seat. Now we're gonna talk about the base. Looking at the base, it does have that anti-rebound bar that we're just gonna click right in. And it also has 2 ways to install it, which is super nice. It has instructions written on the base, so it's super easy. Now we're gonna click in the car seat, and the car seat is actually super lightweight and clicks in really easy, which is so nice. Again, it does have that 3rd way of installing it without the base. It has that European belt wrap, which is so nice and so easy, especially if you're gonna be on the go and don't want to have that base. It's so easy to install this way. That wraps up our unboxing of the Britax Willow Brook S Plus travel system. We love that Britax provides this option where you can get your car seat and stroller all in the same box, and we recommend you try it out. Remember, you can shop this travel system at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders over $95 or more. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.